This tutorial will cover how to create agreements to be used with volunteer application forms within Volunteer Easy. Agreements within Volunteer Easy represent any terms or conditions that a volunteer may be required to assent to in order to volunteer with your organization. These agreements may represent media or liability releases, or their understanding of behavioral standards they may be held to. To create and manage agreements, start by mousing over the Navigate to menu header and clicking on Agreements under the Configuration section. The first step in creating an agreement is to give the agreement a title for easy recognition later. Next, you will have the option to either upload a document containing your agreement or enter the agreement content on the screen. If you have chosen the Upload Agreement option, use the Upload Document field to browse your computer and select the file desired. While several file formats are supported, the PDF format is recommended to help ensure the largest number of potential volunteers can access the file. If you have chosen the Agreement Content option, please enter the text of your agreement in the editor provided. If you are creating a new agreement for use for opportunities, be sure to mark the Active checkbox to indicate that this agreement is currently available for use. Lastly, if you are a Volunteer Action Center, indicate if the agreement will automatically be required for organizations, volunteers, or both during the initial registration process. If you are an organization that is not a Volunteer Action Center, you will only have the option for volunteers. If you only wish to use this agreement for specific programs or applications, do not check any option. When you have finished configuring the agreement, click on the Save button. After you have saved an agreement, it will appear under the Agreement section on the right. You can specify whether you wish to see volunteer or organization agreements only by selecting the appropriate checkbox and clicking Go. To edit an agreement, click on the Edit button next to the agreement, or to delete an agreement, click on the Delete button. This concludes the tutorial on creating agreements to be used with volunteer application forms within Volunteer Easy.